100% cotton. Construction. Throw is 100% cotton and measures 50 by 60. Quality in the details. Modern patterns with a decorative fringe for the perfect finish that won't unravel in the wash. Fits the rustic, vintage, or distressed look. This throw has a very chic and trendy look. Throw over a couch or chair to add a splash of color and provide warmth on a cold night. Versatile. Use DII throw blankets to stay warm, as a decor piece, over a chair or couch, to wrap housewarming gifts, as a picnic blanket, when camping, and more. Discover DII. DII offers an assortment of quality home and kitchen products. Click the DII link at the top of this page to explore more. These versatile throws are a great addition to a living room or bedroom. DII offers a wide variety of throws in different colors, patterns, and materials to ensure you find the perfect one to match your vision of a perfectly balanced interior. Our throws are useful any time of the year. Keep warm in the fall and winter season and freshen up your rooms with a pop of color during spring and summer. Keep one on your couch, chair, or bed for cozy nights by the fireside, or take outdoors for chilly summer evenings on the porch or patio, or for a little picnic at your local park. Top reviews from the United States. Wonderful pattern. Exactly as shown. I washed first as recommended. Alert. The amount of lint was incredible, so be sure to empty your dryer's lint filter immediately after. I may only wash by hand next time and line dry, though it won't be as soft. It's made in India, so I was worried that the colors might run, but so far so good. Let's see how long it lasts. Colors pattern are just what I was looking for, so it's great, but TBD on endurance since it already lost a lot of yarn in the first dryer cycle. Anyway, so far good value for cost.